inside a mechanical watch. Some problems are not immediately visible. Rust is one of them. Today, I want to explain why corroded parts that are not replaced can compromise the long-term reliability of a watch. This is a situation I regularly encounter during professional servicing. A watch has suffered moisture exposure. It is cleaned, and it works again. But inside the movement, some corroded components remain. A common belief is that cleaning a movement is enough. Unfortunately, corrosion does not disappear because a watch is running again. Rust alters the surface of metal components. Even after cleaning, microscopic damage remains. This damage increases friction. It reduces efficiency. And it accelerates wear. In some services, corroded parts are cleaned, but not replaced. This can restore short-term function, but it does not restore reliability. Leaving corroded parts inside a watch often leads to repeat servicing. Unexpected failures. And higher long-term costs. Replacing a damaged part is not about perfection. It is about protecting the entire movement. Understanding what happens inside a movement helps avoid costly decisions. A movement may run today and fail again months later. This is why professional diagnostics matter. Corrosion is not always obvious. Only careful inspection allows the right decision. Between cleaning and replacement, Invisible watch mistakes. Smart decisions. Before they cost you.